Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Alyssa, and I've been sharing my fitness journey for over 2 years now, helping thousands of women transform their bodies naturally. Today, we're diving into something that's plagued so many of us. Those jiggly, stubborn arms that just won't budge no matter how many tricep dips you do. Imagine this. What if you had just 45 days to erase that stubborn arm fat? Sounds impossible, right? But I've got a shocking step-by-step overhaul that's going to change everything. This isn't about endless cardio or starving yourself. It's a targeted, science-backed plan that combines smart fat loss with arm sculpting moves. I lost over 80 pounds overall, and my arms went from flabby to toned without surgery or gimmicks. By the end of this video, you'll have a blueprint to follow. But first, let's address the elephant in the room. Spot reduction is a myth. You can't just burn fat from your arms, but you can accelerate overall fat loss while building muscle there for that sleek, defined look. If you're ready to commit, comment below with 45 days to toned arms and your start date. Let's jump in. All right, let's get real. You've probably tried every arm workout on Pinterest, squeezed into sleeves that feel too tight and hidden under cardigans even in summer. But here's the shock. It's not your genetics or age, it's your approach. You've been winging it without a plan, quitting after a week when results don't show. Today, that ends. Lesson 1 is the arm eraser contract. Grab a pen and paper right now. At the top, write my 45-day arm overhaul. This isn't a forever thing. It's an intense, temporary season to blast that fat and reveal toned arms. Why 45 days? It's long enough for visible changes. Expect to drop 5 to 10 pounds overall with arms slimming down, but short enough to stay motivated. No more vague goals. Step 1, choose your intensity. Option A, beginner. If you're new or have 10 to 15 pounds to lose. Option B, advanced, for those ready to go hard with 15 plus pounds. Circle 1, step 2, mark your calendar. Start today or tomorrow, count forward 45 days, and star that end date as arm glow up day. This creates urgency and flips your mindset from deprivation to dedication. You can handle discomfort for 45 days knowing there's an end. Assignment, sign this contract, snap a pic of your arms now for before photos, and set it as your phone background. This is your commitment, no quitting allowed. Before we dive deeper, let's talk science to shock you into action. Stubborn arm fat, especially in women, is often due to estrogen storing fat in the upper arms and triceps area. It's the last to go because it's alpha-2 receptor rich, meaning it holds onto fat tighter. But here's the game changer. A calorie deficit combined with resistance training can override this. Studies show that high-protein diets preserve muscle while in a deficit, and consistent movement boosts NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis, to burn more calories passively. In 45 days with the right plan, you can reduce body fat by 1 to 2% per week, leading to noticeable arm slimming. I've seen clients drop dress sizes in their arms alone by following this, but it requires structure. No more random salads or occasional push-ups. If you're skeptical, think about this. I went from size 18 to size 6, and my arms were the most transformed area because I targeted them smartly. Stay with me. The steps ahead will blow your mind. Moving on to the core of fat loss, calories. Lesson 2, your calorie target for arm erasure. If you've ever tried 1,200 calorie diets and binged out, I get it. That's not sustainable, and it wrecks your metabolism. We're doing this right. Step 1, find your TDEE, total daily energy expenditure. Google a TDEE calculator. Input your age, height, weight, gender, and activity level honestly. Sedentary if desk-bound, lightly active if you walk a bit. This gives your maintenance calories, the amount to stay the same. For most women, it's 1,800 to 2,400. Write it down. Step 2, create a deficit. Multiply by 0.75 to 0.80 for a 20 to 25% cut. Example, 2,000 maintenance becomes 1,500 to 1,600. This is aggressive for 45 days, but safe. Enough to melt fat without starvation. Why this range? It shocks your body into using stored fat, especially in stubborn areas, while keeping energy high. Step 3, commit to this number daily. Use an app like MyFitnessPal to track. Assignment, calculate now, write your target next to your contract. This is your fat-burning fuel plan. Hit it consistently and watch arms shrink. Now, to supercharge arm fat loss, let's tweak nutrition for muscle definition. Protein isn't just filler, it's key for repairing arm muscles post-workout, making them pop as fat drops. Aim for 1 gram per pound of ideal body weight. If your goal is 140 pounds, target 140 grams daily. Divide by meals. 3 to 4 times a day means 35 to 45 grams per meal. Shock your system with protein-first meals to curb cravings. For arms, include collagen sources like bone broth for skin tightness as fat leaves. Hydrate with 100 ounces of water daily to flush toxins and reduce puffiness. Avoid sodium bombs that bloat arms. This isn't generic advice. It's tailored to make your arms the star. In my journey, upping protein transformed my flabby triceps into defined lines in under 2 months. Lesson 3, protein, the arm sculptor. You've got your calories. Now anchor every meal with protein to build lean arm muscle while torching fat. Step 1, calculate your goal, 1 gram per pound of goal weight. For 150-pound goal, 150 grams daily. Step 2, break it down. Eat 4 meals, 37.5 grams each. Sources, breakfast, Greek yogurt, 20 grams, plus protein powder, 25 grams. Lunch, chicken breast, 40 grams. Snack, cottage cheese, 25 grams. Dinner, salmon, 40 grams. Make a list now for each meal. Step 3, plan ahead. Shop for these. Prep shakes, grilled chicken batches. Why crucial? Protein boosts metabolism by 15 to 30% via thermic effect, and in a deficit, it preserves arm muscle so you don't look skinny fat. Studies from the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition back this. Higher protein leads to better fat loss retention. Assignment. Build your protein menu, aim to hit targets daily. This will shock your arms into transformation. To make this practical, here's some shocking meal hacks. Breakfast, protein oatmeal, oats with whey, eggs and nuts for 40 grams protein. Lunch, turkey wrap with veggies, 35 grams easy. Dinner, stir-fry tofu or beef with greens, 45 grams. Snacks, protein bar or shake. Total, effortless, 140 grams plus. Pro tip, supplement if needed, but whole foods first for micronutrients that aid arm recovery. Avoid carbs-only meals. They spike insulin, storing more arm fat. This overhaul will have you seeing vein definition in weeks. Shocking, but true. Time for action. Lesson 4, arm blasting workouts. Walking alone won't cut it. We need targeted resistance to sculpt while burning fat. Step 1, baseline check. Track your current arm strength. How many push-ups can you do? Note it. Step 2, set routine. 4 days a week, 20 to 30 minutes. Tricep dips, 3 by 15. Bicep curls, 3 by 12. Shoulder presses, 3 by 10. Push-ups, 3 by 10. Use dumbbells or body weight. Add cardio, 20-minute brisk walks daily for 8,000 steps minimum. This boosts overall burn. Step 3, progress. Week 1 to 2, build form. Week 3 to 5, increase reps, weights. Why shocking? Compound moves like these hit multiple arm muscles, accelerating definition. Research shows resistance training increases muscle by 20% in short periods. Assignment, schedule workouts, start today. Feel the burn. That's arm fat erasing. For extra shock value, incorporate supersets, alternate tricep and bicep exercises without rest for max burn. Use resistance bands for homies. Track progress photos weekly. Arms will slim and tone visibly. Combine with steps. Aim 10,000 daily to amp NEAT, burning 400 plus calories passively. This duo is unstoppable for stubborn fat. Final lesson, the glow up maintenance. You've hit day 45. Arms toned, confidence soaring, but don't rebound. Step 1, assess wins. Measure arms, compare photos, list non-scale victories like better strength. Step 2, reverse diet. Add 100 to 200 calories weekly back to maintenance to avoid regain. Monitor weight. Step 3, next steps. Maintenance mode, enjoy flexibility. More goals, repeat after 2-week break. This prevents yo-yo. Assignment, plan your post-45 strategy now. You've got the full overhaul, contract, calories, protein, workouts, maintenance. Commit to 45 days and shock yourself with results. Follow on Instagram at FitAlyssaArms, TikTok at TonedArmsAlyssa. If joining the challenge, comment your start date. See you next video. Bye.